Today, we are talking about the one that started it all, the standard HydraCHEM chemical system. This is a 3-in-1 compressor, chemical pump, and hydraulic cooler built in the compact, simple to use package. Let's talk about the outside of the system. Unlike a traditional pumping compressor system, everything is compact and enclosed inside the HydraCHEM unit. There are no exposed hydraulic hoses. All you need is 1 or 2 levers to operate the unit, and the unit fits on a 25-inch frame rail. The HydraCHEM comes with 3 different pump options: stainless steel for corrosive chemicals, steel for standard non-corrosive chemicals, or a gear pump option with a triple lip seal to ensure no leaking. If the chemical is too abrasive for offloading with a pump, the HydraCHEM also includes our P40 air compressor integrated inside the system to use compressed air for offloading the abrasive chemical. Let's talk about the proper maintenance of the HydraCHEM system. On a daily basis, check your P40 and hydraulic system oil level. Weekly, the product pump must be operated for 15 seconds to maintain lubrication. At this time, you will also want to inspect the high-pressure suction hoses, fittings, and mounting bolts. At 3 months, inspect the hydraulic motor couplings for damage and replace as needed. You will also lubricate the ball bearings of your product pump. At this time, you will change the hydraulic oil filter and oil. At 6 months, change your oil and air filter element from your P40 air compressor. You will change the hydraulic oil and filter element on your hydraulic system. Every 12 months, we recommend changing the P40 air compressor relief valve and inspect the chemical pump and hydraulic pump for any wear.